What's up guys, Jeff here, and for today's vlog, mag-unbox tayo ng something na special and sobrang tagal ko na itong hinihintay, as in parang ito yung parang sneaker grail na gusto ko talaga, and this is the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So I got it through a trade plus cash, and I sold my other pairs and discuss natin yan later. But yun, let's start with the video. Heading sa room, and hindi ko na sa inyo papakita kasi so medyo magulo, sobrang gulo pala. And but here are my current rotations, and there, as you can see, there's the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Balik ko lang ulit sa box para medyo unboxing talaga siya, pero ayan, unbox natin siya and let's compare it to the Jordan 1 Dark Mocha kasi sinasabi nila super similar talaga, pero ayun, check natin siya. Watching Payaman Talks, and yung vlog nila kung actually ano siya, super informative, and ang ganda ng mga like topics nila. Hi guys, ML time. Hello. So anong date ngayon? Feb 17, and anong next sneakers natin na kukunin? Feb 20.
Okay.
Yung ano, ay hindi ko pala kukuha ng neutral green, no? So yun, sana manalo tayo sa Feb 20 ng Jordan 1 Neutral Gray. Anong phone yan?
Oppo Reno 5.
Actually, super okay niya pang
Reno.
Pang games. No, so ang ganda ng camera. So yun, update ko kayo on Feb 20 kasi if manalo tayo ng Jordan 1 Neutral Gray, isama ko yan sa vlog. Hi guys, so I just got back from Ace Cultura. So Ace Cultura is a clinic sa may Panay, and doon ako nagpapa-HIFU, tripolar and cavitation for my abs. So try ko mag-put ng clips dito kung may mahanap ako. And before we start this vlog na, I just want to give a huge thanks to Sneaker Plant. I think Sneaker Plant is a parang consignment store na nagsell sila ng sneakers, ganyan, and they have their own merch. Actually, they sent me this as a gift. Sobrang ganda ng shirt nila. And nakakatuwa sila, as in sobrang bait nila. And may message pa sila here, sabi parang, hello Sir Jeff, I've been a fan of a very long time, and I am truly honored to be able to send a small gift to you. Ayan, sabi nila, continue daw nila support nila. And super nag-thank you sir. And thank you din kasi you sent me this. I'm gonna wear this in this vlog. Gonna go have my lunch lang. Pero ayan, show ko sa inyo yung design. Sneaker Plant, heart at the front, plus sa back. Meron tayo na itong cute angel na sulat aim for Grails. Ayan. And we are gonna unbox a Grail pair today, and meron pang stickers. Thank you, Sneaker Plant. And for those of you who are curious kung ano yung suot kong beanie, meron kaming ilo-launch na brand soon, which is OFRESH. I don't know if na-launch na namin siya before kayo labas ng vlog na to, or ilo-launch pa lang namin siya, but we will launch it sometime during March or April, and this is just a sample mock-up, and mas maganda pa yung ilalabas namin dito. And our first collection consists of beanies, shirts, and jersey shorts. And so yun, support nyo lang kami and follow OFRESH page on Instagram. I'm wearing the shirt that is given by Sneaker Plant, and may stickers pa sila. Cute yung stickers nila. And ito yung back design. Yung aim for Grails, and yung angel or yung cupid naka-suot siya ng Strange Love. So is it a sign? Is it a sign?
Is it a sign? Hi! Subscribe to my YouTube channel. RHEA Buhay, link will be shared down below.
Yun. And sa OFRESH TV din.
Yes.
Mag-release kami ng isa this month kasi super naging busy kami. And ang ikli lang nung Feb actually, di ba? Kasi leap year, and ayun, sobrang naging busy kami, and malaman niyo kung ba't ako naging busy kasi may launch ako and ayun nga, malalaman niyo kung ba't ako naging busy or ba't kami naging busy this month kasi magla-launch kami ng streetwear brand around end of March or first week of April. So update ko na lang kayo But for now, we are gonna unbox the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So after 2 years, nakuha ko na rin siya kasi I mean, ang tagal kong pinag-isipan tong pair na to kasi this was released last 2019 pa. And I think nung ni-release to ng Titan, una, it's by raffle, syempre. And pangalawa, wala ako dito. So if ever I won the raffle, wala akong chance makap talaga yun. Kasi I think nasa Hong Kong kami nung time na yun, 2019. And ayun, so after a few months, nag-skyrocket yung resale price niya from, I think, tumasagad ng around 40, tapos bigla naging 50, and nung time na yun, parang, sabi ko, parang super mahal pa. Pero ngayon, grabe, parang around 75 to 85 na. I think, mabata ng 90,000 yung brand new or yung BNDS niya. So,
wow!
Nagano ako, for me to cop this pair, nag-trade ako or I sold my 4 pairs. So I sold the Jordan 6 Travis Scott, Jordan 3 Fragment, Jordan 1 New York to Paris, and yung Rookie of the Year ko, which is my first Jordan 1. And ayoko sana benta yung Rookie of the Year, pero nung pinagtabi ko, sabi ko parang sobrang tagal ko nang di nasusuot tong pair na to kasi medyo nahihirapan ako style yung color niya kasi medyo may pagka-orangey brown siya eh. Tapos parang same suede din siya, so parang sabi ko parang similar naman siya na brown, kaya ayun, I decided to sell it. So itong pair na to, nabili ko siya from Andrew Santos of thegoodcopshop.ph on Instagram. Lagay ko na lang yung link niya sa baba. Pero itong pair is galing sa Cop Garden kasi ayan, nasa tag naman siya, and it has a receipt inside, and I got a size 10.5. So let's start with the box. So the box is not your typical Jordan 1 box. I mean, it's your typical Jordan 1 box. Yung logo same, pero ang iba lang is yung brown kasi it's Travis Scott's favorite color. So it's brown and red, and I think to legit check this pair kasi sobrang dami nang lumalabas na UA pair or unauthorized something pair or fake pairs dyan. I think one thing para i-double check is yung shade nung brown. I think mas darker yung sa fake pairs and mas lighter and mas parang mocha for this one. And on the right side, we can see the details. Ayan. These are the details. So I got a size 10.5. This BNDS by the way, pero yung box niya sira-sira na kasi. Ayun nga, as I mentioned earlier, 2 years na to. I mean, nung ni-release, 2019 pa. Kaya siguro sa kakalipat ng seller or sa kakalipat ng owner na damage na yung box niya. Pero ayun, super okay pa naman. Nike swoosh logo all over the box. And at the bottom part, we can see the details. And once we open the box, we can see this. Actually, ito, kakaiba rin siya kasi it has a red interior. Yan. Tapos, this is the tissue paper. It's pink. And one way to legit check then is yung print sa tissue paper. I've seen some vlogs na yung print niya is super crumpled or yung parang walang space in between as compared to this one na maganda yung pagka-spacing ng mga logo. And so once we open this is the pair. Yeah. And guys, let's start with the shoes right here. So the upper part of the shoes is mainly made out of quality suede and real tumbled leather. So let's head on over to the toe box, or let's start with the toe box first. So the toe box is, as I mentioned earlier, tumbled leather and is super quality, as in pag pinrest nyo siya, hindi dapat siya yung parang balat ng tao na yung parang lumulubog. So dapat ganito siya, yung parang super tigas ng quality niya. And we have quality suede over here that when you rub your fingers or finger, meron siya agad print, as in parang on the fake pair kasi parang one side or parang one layer lang yung pagka-suede niya. And on this one, as you can see, I mean, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but in person may kita niyo talaga yung difference niya. And heading on over to the lateral side, outer lateral side of the shoe, we have this, yung iconic reverse swoosh ni Travis Scott, which made the shoes the OG or the first shoes that has a reverse swoosh. And what we can see over here is yung quality ng reverse swoosh niya is tumbled black leather, as in super quality talaga niyan. And we have the wing logo over here, as you can see. And on the upper heel part of the shoes, para siyang nylon part that has 3 layers na parang naka-stitch. And heading on over to the tongue part of the shoes, yung tongue part niya is made out of nylon material with the Nike Air at the top. And what I like about this is yung subtle logo ng Cactus Jack on the right side, and on the left pair, nasa left side naman siya. So ito, ayan, red lang siya in black. And what is interesting about the shoes is yung hidden pocket niya over here. Ayan, yun o. Ganda, as in it goes all the way around here. I don't know if anong tatago mo dyan. Siguro tago mo yung pera mo or tago mo yung coins mo. I don't know if kasha yung card dyan. Try na lang natin. Pero heading on over to the other lateral side of the shoes, yung inner lateral side. Same material, tumbled white leather, quality suede, black tumbled leather, but on the side naman, normal swoosh na siya. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just take a close-up shot. Pero merong Cactus Jack dito na 3M material that pag inano mo siya, pag pinicture mo siya na may flash, magpa-pop out yung Cactus Jack, which is again an interesting detail on this pair. And heading on over to the back part of the shoes, we can see this, the Cactus Jack logo or icon. And one more thing to legit check a pair is yung gap between the midsole and the logo. It shouldn't be that big. Super sakto lang dapat. And on this one, dapat yung black niya is medyo thick. Hindi siya yung super nimpes na nawala agad. Now, let's head on over to the midsole. So, yung midsole niya, as you can notice, is slightly different from the shade of white because it's kind of yellowish. So, it gives that parang old retro vibe, which I like kasi parang yun nga, parang if you like hear yung name ni Travis Scott, una papasok niyo agad sa isip niyo parang rugged, cool, retro, parang ganun yung forma niya kasi, and vintage, parang ganyan. So I think this I mean the decision on making the midsole yellow is super good. And heading on over to the outsole. The outsole is dark brown and the pattern is normal, and wala naman tayong makikitang iba dito. It is just your normal Jordan 1 pattern na outsole. And for the last part, let's check the insole. Wait, let me just remove the shoe 3. So for the insole, ito makikita natin sa right pair, we can see the Cactus Jack logo, and on the left pair, we can see the Nike Air logo. Ayan, and we also have 5 shoelaces over here. I think this is the first Jordan 1 na merong 5 laces. So we have the black, red, pink, sail I think, and dark brown. Comparing the Jordan 1 Travis Scott to the Jordan 1 Dark Mocha, I mean, actually, it is super similar talaga. Parang combination siya ng Jordan 1 Travis Scott and the Jordan 1 Black and White na retro. Pero for me, Jordan 1 Mocha can stand on its own kasi it has its own beauty. As in, ang ganda niya eh. I mean, I tried changing it to pink laces to achieve the Travis Scott look, and medyo hati yung opinion ng tao dyan. Some like it, some don't like it. Ako, I'm neutral about it kasi parang it's your shoes naman eh. I mean, you have the decision kung anong gusto mong gawin. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng yellow laces, orange laces, red laces, bahala ka. It's your pair. Kaya kung ano tingin mo maganda, gawin mo. But for this one, nung tinry ko yung parang sail laces niya, I mean, mas nagustuhan ko siya kasi parang super clean eh, super linis. And yun nga, I'm neutral about it. And tinatawag siyang poor man's Travis Scott, which wala man ako nakikita mali, pero ayun nga, yung ibang tao parang ayaw talaga nila eh. Pero ako, my own opinion lang talaga for this pair is it can stand on its own and it has its own look, or kaya dalhin yung sarili niya. Yun. And heading on over to the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, ayan. Iba pa rin kasi talaga to eh. I mean, quality-wise, syempre, it's Travis Scott. wala tayong magagawa. Maganda talaga siya. I mean, maganda talaga yung mga collabs niya. I mean, binibreak niya yung rules ng collab. Like, ito nga yung reverse swoosh. I mean, siya lang, I think siya lang makagawa niyan. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you rin sa support. Again, please follow OFRESH PH. This is just a sample, so pinalitan pa namin yan. And I will give you a teaser soon on my Instagram at IamJeffOng. So again, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.